Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just like the honey soy chicken except for it's salmon, and it's slightly different because we add chili flakes. We didn't do that with the chicken, and we also bake it for a lot less than the chicken. So I'll just show you guys how to make it in the kitchen. What you'll need to make the honey soy salmon would be two pieces of salmon fillet, so obviously washed and cleaned, but we didn't remove this gray part because otherwise it would stick in the oven tray. And for the marinade and the rest of the recipe, you're going to need 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 garlics crushed, 1 teaspoon of ginger grated, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of honey, a little bit of sesame as we're going to drizzle them on the salmon later, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, and a tablespoon of olive oil. So we're going to do the same steps as we've done in the chicken, the honey soy chicken, except for this one has chili flakes and the other one didn't. So we're just going to add in all of our ingredients except for the sesame seeds, our soy sauce, our garlic, ginger, sesame oil, honey, chili flakes, and olive oil. And we're just going to mix this around, and then we're going to put our salmon in it. So now we put in our salmon. So you just flip it and you cover it in the marinade, and then we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge to marinate for an hour. So after the hour is over, we do what we've done with the chicken. So we put our salmon in the mold or the tray, and we add the glaze thing or marinade on top, and yeah, we bake it. But this time around, we have to line the tray with the baking paper, otherwise the salmon will stick. So yeah, just we lift them and we do what we've done with the chicken. Pretty much it's the same thing. We just pour the glaze or marinade on top. And after we've glazed them with enough marinade, we just sprinkle in our sesame seeds. So now we take them to the oven, and the oven has been heated at 190 degrees Celsius, and we're going to bake them for about 15 minutes, and every 5 minutes we pour the glaze on top. So you just glaze it very carefully because it's probably hot by now. So now we close the oven, and because it's already been 10 minutes, we're just gonna wait another 5 minutes, and then I think it'll be ready. So after 15 minutes, it looks about ready, so we took it out of the oven, and we're just going to let it rest for a little bit because it's still too hot to serve. So after it has cooled down a little bit, we've served it alongside the rice and some of the marinade that was in the tray. So as you can see, it looks so shiny and glimmery, and it looks amazing. So As you can see, it crumbles on its own, which means that it's cooked really well. So we didn't really bake it for that long, 15 minutes, because salmon cooks really quickly. It's really good. You can taste the sweetness and the savoriness and like the tanginess. So it makes for a really good combination. So this concludes today's video. Again, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below so you guys can support me to make more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!